This video is going to be a quick tutorial into how to take information from a data table and create that data to turn it into a scatter plot and calculate the correlation coefficient using Google Sheets. Here we have some sample data, subject, variable 1, variable 2. Sometimes you'll see the subject column, sometimes you won't, just depending on where we get the information from. But we're going to want variable 1 and variable 2. So let's go ahead and highlight these two columns all the way down to the bottom. And we're going to copy that information. You'll also have a Google Sheet available to you on the Classroom. That's blank. And let's go ahead and paste that information into the Google Sheet. There it is. All right, variable 1, variable 2. We're going to need to highlight both of these data sets. And then let's let Google Sheets do the work for us. Over to the right, there's Insert Chart. And go ahead and click on that. It will give you a bunch of different options when we choose the drop-down menu for chart type. We're going to find scatter plot. For mine, it's right over here. And let's activate that. And there's my scatter chart. Make it a little bit smaller. You can manipulate the size. And there we go. So closing that out, looking at the scatter plot, it seems that we have a positive correlation here. The variable 1 and variable 2 are both going up at the same time, so that would give us a positive correlation. But we also want to know the correlation coefficient. We can see that it's a positive correlation, but how strong is it exactly? And here's how we do that. So we're going to open the cursor into the cell, and we're going to type in the formula equals CORR and the autofill right here, so core EL. Click on that, and when the equation is open, we're going to take the data from column 1, comma, and the data from column 2 next. And you see when you highlight that, it gives you a data range and close parentheses. So it should look something like that. And then you hit enter. And there you go. It calculates the coefficient for you. So we have a 0.7 positive correlation, which isn't the strongest you can possibly get, but it's closer to 1 than it is 0. So we can definitely see that we have some kind of positive correlation going on here. And that's how you do it. So use those tools to finish your assignment.